Hey friends, if you wish to sort folders by size or month in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's a folder, and if you want to check its statistics, you will have to open the details tab. So click on view and select details. Now you have details, but you have limited details. A lot of users want to sort all of these by size. So I have the option for size here, but a lot of people don't have it. It's like this. Now I have set it accordingly, so that's a different thing. If you want the size option, click on any of these four titles or any of the titles, right click on it and simply select size. Now it is still not sorted by size. You'll have to click it once. And when you click it once, it will be sorted by size in descending order. The largest one will be on the top. And when you click it again, it will be sorted by size in ascending order. This time the one with the lowest size will be on the top. But what about month? So you would usually have the date tab in the section. If you don't, you know that you have to right click and check date, but you would usually have it. But now you don't have it by month. So simply click on this downward pointing arrow here and then select this by what do we say, month here, last month. And you'll see that it has been sorted out by month. Now it doesn't showing such in my system because all of these are files are from the same month, but if it was, then you would have noticed the classification. And rather, even if you changed the view type to large icons and it would have been spread across multiple months, it would have shown it there. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then please let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.